BDO to Security Bank. How to send money from BDO to Security Bank online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So in this video, mag-transfer tayo from BDO to Security Bank online. So mahalaga na meron ka ng BDO online account. Kung wala ka pang online account with BDO, we have a video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. So dito sa browser ko, open ko yung bdo.com.ph. So I'll click Online Banking Login and click BDO Online Banking. So I'll go ahead and log in. Then enter here the OTP na na-receive ko sa phone. And here's my current account. So ngayon magka-transfer ako ng pera to other bank, which is Security Bank. So dito sa bandang kaliwa, click Send Money and click to another local bank. So ito na siya. By the way, punta lang ako sa Security Bank online account ko. Currently, ito yung amount niya. So later on, dapat after ko mag-transfer from BDO to Security Bank, dapat madagdagan na to based sa kung magkano amount yung ita-transfer ko. So balik ako sa BDO and click Proceed without a template. By the way, dito sa Select from Saved Queries, in the past, nag-transfer na ako to Metro Bank, to Land Bank, and sinasave ko siya dito. Like for Metro Bank, if I click this and click Next, meron ng details dito in the past and sinave ko yung settings na yun before. So, ang maganda dito is hindi ko na kailangan i-enter manually lalo yung account number na paglilipatan ng pera and also yung details ng owner ng bank na yun. So, I'll click back and I'll click Proceed without a template. This is my first time na magka-transfer to this account, Security Bank account na to. So, I'll click Next. And for settlement type, credit to another local bank. Transaction type, I'll leave it as it is, credit to other bank. And here's my account number. The amount, I want to transfer 30,000 pesos. And for destination bank, I'll choose here the bank. Maraming list dito ng bangko na pwede mong paglipatan ng pera. And since ang gusto kong paglipatan is Security Bank, siya. Magka-transfer ako via Instapay. Ang alam ko kasi pag Instapay, real-time yung pag-transfer, as mentioned here. And also, right now, I think Wave yung pag-transfer from BDO to other bank. So, malalaman natin yan later on. But let's say, wala silang promo or walang kahit anong advisory na Wave yung pag-transfer. Ang normal transfer fee is 50 pesos. Unless magbago yung amount. But right now, I know it's 50 pesos. So, for destination account number, ilalagay ko rito yung account number ng Security Bank na paglilipatan ko ng pera. Balik ako Security Bank, ito yung account number na yon. So, click ko to. And I'll highlight this. Copy. By the way, kinakopy ko yung account number para hindi ako magkamali. Pero kung sa inyo, mas prefer nyo na i-enter siya dito manually, pwede rin naman. So, I'll go ahead and place it over here. For receiver details, ilalagay ko rito yung details nung owner nung bank account na to. And click Submit. So I'm transferring 30,000 from my BDO account to Security Bank. Ito yung account number to this person. So mukhang tama naman lahat. And I'll click Continue. So, may sinend ulit silang OTP sa phone ko. And hintayin ko lang. Ito na siya. 452164. And I'll click Submit. Hintayin lang natin. So, you have successfully sent real-time via Instapay. The reference number is this one. So, siya. Importante na i-take note mo lagi yung reference number. Just in case magkaroon ng aberya or hindi na transfer ng maayos yung pera to other bank, pwede mong erase sa BDO. Pwede kang mag-file ng dispute using this reference number. So, I'll go to Security Bank and i-refresh ko lang to by clicking this. So, naging 90,340 siya. So, tama nga, real-time nga yung pag-transfer from BDO to Security Bank. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. You may also check these or other videos on how to send money or transfer funds online. And also, in case you're interested, may mga videos din kami about easy investment. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.